Hello, Jay.
Hi, Marty.
Thanks very much for coming on the training course. It was a delight to work with you. But tell me about your experience over the last few days.
It's been absolutely amazing. The amount of knowledge and practical experience has just been wonderful.
Good. Well, I'm delighted to hear it. And what do you think has been most benefit to you?
I suppose learning simple things which were a mystery to me before. Shimano derailleur systems, that kind of thing. I wouldn't have dreamt of touching it before. Now I feel more confident.
Good. Great. Well, I'm delighted. And what's the thing you've enjoyed most about the course?
I suppose interacting with my fellow trainees and learning the use of some specialised tools, and of course learning from your vast knowledge of the business has been great.
Good, cool. And if you were to just say anything there that might just sway somebody into maybe thinking about coming onto the course, or not, as the case may be, what would you say if somebody was watching this?
Don't think twice about it. It's great. It's absolutely the thing to do. If you're into bikes, or if you're into doing a bit of maintenance on bikes, don't think twice. Get out there, do it, because it's absolutely brilliant.
Great, okay. And there's just was one other little question there that as I'm just thinking. This is a professional bicycle qualification. Have you any aspirations of using that professional qualification going forward?
Absolutely, I hope so, yeah, certainly. I'm going to explore the possibilities and things that are out there, so I will take it further, definitely.
Okay, lovely. Well, it's been an absolute pleasure, Jeff.
Thanks, Marty, well done. Thank you.